Today I'm finally get the wheels kind of fitment a little bit better. They're not fixed, but I want to see what spacer I'm gonna be using so I can get more of a flush look. I have all these spacers. I'm gonna do the rear and the front. I don't have the extended studs on, so hopefully I could get some threads on and go from there. Yep. So let me jack up the car and show you guys in. Here's the car. What we're gonna do on this side. If anything. Not with these wheels, with other wheels, but yeah. And then the rear, we're gonna need like a lot of spacers. But yeah, hopefully I get it on. Probably needs like 2. Alright, got the wheels, got the spacers. They're squared, so I'll just have one wheel out. Just gonna do that right side, or the left side, do that left side. If you don't know, this is my CCW's LM5T, 3-piece. Got them like curve all fixed and stuff. They were all horrible. If you wanna check out the older videos. Been sitting for about like a month or 2. Yep, these are the newer center caps I bought. But alright, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put these on, or take the wheel off, and then use some spacers. See you then. Alright, you can see got the Skunk 2 camera kits installed, maxed out. Alright, well I'm gonna go ahead and put the wheel on, or throw some spacers. I'm gonna go with one spacer, which is a 5mm. And go from there. And these are not the spacers I'm gonna run. This is just for reference. They're not even hub centric. They're floppy. And they're coming off right after this. So yeah, so let's go ahead and throw the first spacer on. Or would have helped if the tire wasn't flat. Alright, here it is. Poke. I'm gonna go ahead and return the wheel, see if it's good. See if it rubs. Don't look like I'm gonna have issue rubbing. It's just tires flat, so it's kind of hard to tell. So the front, I'm gonna get a 5mm spacer for the front only. But yeah, I'm gonna get a different tire that's aired up and then do the fitment in the rear. But not too bad. I think I barely clear. It had like that part, but once it's aired up, it might be a little bit better. But there's still gap, which I like. And then let me show you one more time straight with a 5mm. And this is a 5mm spacer. A tiny bit of poke. And you can see the camber, just like slight degree of camber. And don't mind the headlight, that's still getting dried out. But slight poke. Be right here. The thing is, I do want to drop the front a tiny bit. So I gotta see about that. Alright, now for the rear. It's gonna be without the 5mm spacer. I forgot to do a video about that, so let's see how this looks. Like I said, I want to go lower, so I might not need the spacer if I want to go a little bit more lower. Alright, let's see. Not too bad. I have way more clearance, if anything. It's more flush than anything. It's not straight, I'm just straightening it out. I get the fenders a little bit more. But yeah, so if you look, it's literally like dead on with it. I want to drop it at least till like maybe right here. So how I want to go. If I drop it that low, it's just pretty close. Might need a little bit more camber if I want to go with that route. So, if anything, I might pick up a 5mm hub-centric. See if I could do to get a little bit more camber out of this acura. And then, yeah, should I drop it a little bit more? So yeah, 5mm so far is what I'm going for. Alright, yeah, and then we can do the rear now. Alright, got the rear off. You can tell like some CCWs and the wall stones. Gonna go with 2. Hopefully there's enough meat to go grab it at least. I just need to get a couple threads on just so I can see what kind of space I'm gonna run. But yeah, we'll go with this and see how it goes. And this is my Megan Racing camera kits maxed out. Yep. Yeah, so I'll go ahead and put them on there. Well, so I don't have extended studs yet. It's so hard to get it. So I'm just gonna do one. One don't do it, then I know two. But this is before I even have the lugs on. That's pretty nice. I'll go with just one, I guess, for now. Alright, so this is a 5 mil. My toe is completely off, so don't mind that, but the only concern I have is it ribbon, which I might just roll the fenders. You can see how fucked up my fenders are. Ouch, look at that. I might roll them, try to pull them. So I'm thinking 5 mils all around will be decent. That means it'll be like a 10.5 in the rear, I'm assuming. Not too sure what 5 is. I think that's half an inch. I think that's half an inch. And then maybe a 5 mil in the front. Alright. So that's good. But yeah, so this is how it looks with a 5 mil spacer. I think it'll sit pretty good if I could fix the toe a little bit. See how bad the toe is? Damn. Alright. I don't know if this will be a separate video or included in another video, but yep, thanks for watching this one. Alright. That'll leave work. Sam's waiting on the driver. But picked up some new gaskets for the Miata. He'll be needing them in case I do, because the exhaust don't have gaskets. So I got an exhaust for this, a Manzo one, I'll be putting in. If you've seen the last Manzo one, I'm not really gonna put an install video of it, but I'll show you the difference. So this is like, I think like a magma flow muffler or something, and I think it's a hollowed out cat. Let me rev it. Yeah, so that's the before. So once the driver comes, I'll show you the exhaust once I get home. Yeah, so see you guys in a second. Alright, well this is the old exhaust. Pretty sure that's like a magma flow muffler. And the reason I had to buy a cat is because they welded this cat on, so I couldn't use this cat. So yeah, that sucks. Yep, this is gonna go in the garbage. Time to put the new one in. New exhaust going on, Manzo, and the cat. Huh? Well, I'll take both of them down. The Miata all jacked up. As long as the cat bolts on, we should be good to go. Bought this, got it shipped to me from the Miata page. Hopefully everything works out good. Next thing you see will be the exhaust on the car. Here we go. Finally. It's pretty low for a stock car. Alright, cold start. might get loud, but yeah.
That's why your friends always hating on me. Fuck them, no, I did this all by myself. Matter of fact, I ain't never asked no one for help, and that's why I don't pick up my phone when it ring. None of my exes is over the P. Nobody flexing as much as I be. That's why she text me and tell me she love me. She know that someday I'll be over.